Today we'll show you how to open your setting in Google Chrome. Okay, just follow the steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your account on the Google and will be find like this. Okay, just now go to here to this is 3 points. Okay, just click with your mouse and go to put it down, put it down, put it down, put it down. This is a settings, guys. Wait 1 second, what is it? Okay, this is now the second, this settings. This is the last here. Just click, and finally now we will be find all the settings in your Google Chrome. Okay, like your Google account, like the passwords, like private and security, like the performance, like you are design of this is like I talk about overlay, like on and the startup and the language and the load and the system and the receipt, all settings like receipt and everything, like extension, like about the Chrome of yours. You can do what you want here, and this is the settings. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.